Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel glass updated. Gather clean glass, granulated sugar, water, a saucepan, a candy thermometer, and a silicone mitt before starting. Heat sugar and water over medium heat without stirring, watching color closely until amber. Pour thin streams onto a baking sheet lined with silicone and cool completely until brittle. Handle shards with care and use protective gloves and ventilation for safety. Clean and dry your glass thoroughly and set up a safe workspace with heat-resistant surfaces. Begin by dissolving sugar in a bit of water, then bring to 340 degrees F on a candy thermometer for that rich amber tone. Pour the caramel in thin, even streams onto a silicone-lined sheet and allow it to cool completely until it is brittle. Break into shards gently and store in an airtight container away from moisture. If sugar crystals form, wipe down the pan sides with a damp pastry brush or add a touch of corn syrup to stabilize the syrup. Burnt caramel cannot be salvaged, so discard and start a fresh batch to avoid off flavors. For variations, stir in citrus zest or a pinch of sea salt for flavor, or use oil-based coloring for colored shards. Always test a small batch to refine timing and temperature control and practice patience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.